Where are we going today, Anderson?
Round Top.
What are we going to do there?
Look at old shit.
Exactly. Today we're headed out to Round Top to the Antique Festival in Texas. It's one of the largest antique festivals in the country. This thing goes on for miles and miles and miles. We're looking for gothic decor, or decor of the dead, as they would say. Right, Anderson?
Yeah, old shit.
See anything good?
No.
So did you find anything good in there?
No. It was stupid, like, Magnolia stuff. Wasn't even antiques. We're moving on.
Those are cool. Antique people are weird. Get across the street.
Doesn't matter.
So far, this place sucks. If a chair was a venereal disease, that's what it would look like. These chairs might be the coolest thing we've seen so far. The cinematic option. You look all blurry. She got it.
Not the picture of the easel.
Hmm.
Cool though.
Yeah, it's probably a haunted school desk. Years of children being tortured in it. It's just for the little peoples.
See you. What are you doing?
Looking at old crap.
Same.
Vintage tire changing machine. Well, that's it for Round Top. It was a bust. Not much there. Although we did make it up. Oh, I'm sorry. Was I interrupting?
I guess not.
We found some better antique stores and made up for it. But until next time.